If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have several methods that allow you to do so. Most likely you want to use a charger or power adapter. In my case, I have Xiaomi charger and it works as well. You don't have to use the original Samsung power adapter in order to charge your S25 Ultra, although it is recommended to do so. Of course, besides that, you need to have the USB cable that is included inside the box, and we can plug the USB cable to the power adapter and then of course to the phone. So let's connect the USB cable and we should see the information about the battery being charged. As you can see right now, the device is being charged. Now, if you don't have the power adapter right now, if you are still waiting for it, then you can use your computer. As long as you have the USB-C port, or if you have the appropriate USB cable that allows you to connect to the phone to the computer, then you can use it as well in order to charge your S25 Ultra. However, the charging process will be much slower compared when used when you use the power adapter, obviously. But still, this is also an option. Alternatively, you can also use a wireless charger. In this case, all we need to do is once the charger is connected, once it has power, we can simply place the device on top. And as you can see, we are now charging our S25 Ultra. So if you have a wireless charger, whether at home or maybe in your car as well, then you can use it too. Perhaps you also have another similar device that allows you to charge other devices. In that case, you can use it as well, because it should also be supported. So that is essentially it. These are all methods that allow you to charge your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!